Dear students, in the previous episode, consider the problems of exercise 15.1 of probability, that is the 15th unit. Then the 8th question of this probability, that is probability is always simple, but we can find out the probability of an event or any outcome on the basis of that given values. That means by inspection or by thinking, a probability is always the ratio between total number of favorable of the event by total number of possible values of the sample space. That is always probability. Then probability of an complement of an event is 1 minus probability of event. Probability is always varies from 0 to 1. And the total probability of any random experiment is equal to 1. It is not negative or random. Therefore, the 8th question is, a bag contains how many 3 red, 5 black bars? That means total number of red 3, 5 black. Total is 8 bars. Find the probability of red. That is the answer. This is simple. P bracket P red is equal to how many red? 3 red. Total number of balls 3 plus 5. That is it. Therefore, it is equal to 3 by 8. The order red means it is black. Then P of not red means 1 minus P of red, that is complement, is equal to 1 minus, what is 3 by 8, that is equal to 8 minus 3, that means out of 8 bars, 3 plus 5, 8 bars, 3 are red, therefore probability is 3 by 8. Probability of black is 5 by 8, that is not the red, that is the answer, or it is 5 by 8, that is the answer. Clear? Then question number 9. A box contains 5 red, 8 white, and wash, and 4 green marbles. One is taken, find the probability of question number 1 red, question number 2 white, question number 3 not green. Same type question. How many 5 red, 8 white, 4 green, and total 8 plus 4, 12 plus 5, 17. Therefore, 17 given here, that is total number of possible outcomes is 1 mark is taken. Therefore, it is 17. Out of which, how many red? 5 red. Therefore, answer. Question number 1. P of red is equal to what? 5 red out of 17. 2. P of white. How many white? 8 white. 8 by 17. Not the green means what is green for? Therefore 17 minus 4 is what? Not the green means it is 1 or white. That is 5 plus 8. 30. Therefore number 3 P of not the green is equal to 5 plus 8. 5 17 equal to 13 by 17. 4 is green. Green means 4 by 17. Not the green means 13 by 17. That is the answer. Then question number 10. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 20 2 rupees coins, and 10 5 rupee coin. One coin is taken. Find the probability of question number 50 paise coin. Question number 11 will normally be 5 rupees. Same type of question, previous question. That is 50 paise. How many? Hundreds. Then 1 rupees coin. 50. 2 rupees coin. 20. And 5 rupees coin. 10. Total coin. 100, 150, 170, 180. Total 180 coins. Out of which, what is the first question? That is total number of coins 180. What is the denominator? Question number 50 paise coin. Therefore, P of 50 paise coin is equal to how many 50 paise coin? Hundreds by 180 is equal to 10 by 80 is equal to 5 by 9. That is in the simple form. That's a fraction. Then with not be 5 rupees coin. P of not 5 rupees going is equal to. That means 5 rupees coin is 10. Out of 180, 100, 150 plus 170. That means 10 rupee coins, 5 rupee coins, 10. Therefore, other coin, not 5 rupee coin means any other. Therefore, it is 170 by 180 is equal to 17 by 80. Now this 10 by 180 is okay. That is 10 plus 17, 80. Plus 1, 90. 180, that is 7. The 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 1, that is 18. That is the answer. This is what? This is 10. This is 15. Therefore, it is 17. Plus 1, 18. 18 by 18 is what? Then question number 11, question number 11, question number 12, same questions, and question number 13, question number 11, question number 12, question number 13 are for your homework. Same type of question, it is simple. Then question number 14. Then question number 14. One card is taken from 52 playing cards. Find the probability of question number 1. A king of red. Question number 2, a face card. Question number 3, a red face card. Question number 4, the jack of health. Question number 5, a spade. Question number 6, a queen of diamonds. These are important questions for your board exam because playing cards is important. Okay, how many 50 cards? There are some joker, but avoiding joker there are 52 playing cards. Are you know about the different colors and the different categories of playing cards? Listen. A card with this figure, it is known as spade. It is black. This is black card. A card with this figure. This is also black. It is known as cross. In Malayalam, this is spade or this is plough. It is also black. Therefore, and there is another card with this type. It is red and it is known as diamond. And there is another figure with this type. It is red. It is known as diamond. This one is spade. This is in Malayalam plough. This is in Malayalam diamond. This is in Malayalam adugan. They are adugan, red, diamond, red, flower, red, and spade, red in Malayalam. But in English, spade, black, clubs, black, diamond, red, and hair, red. Therefore, there are two colors, two types of colors. One is red, other is black. Therefore, number of red. How many total cards? 52. 52 cards. Red is equal to 26. Number of black. It is also 26. Therefore, probability of red is equal to 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2. Black card is also 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2. How many sets? There are 4 sets. Spade, clubs, diamond, and red. There are 4 sets. Therefore, 52 by 4. That is red. So, spade is equal to 26 by 2, that is 13. Clubs, this also 13. Diamonds, it is also 13. And the cap is also 13. Therefore, 13 into 2 for 52, total 52. Then, listen. The cards are as A, then number 2, then number 3, then number 4, then number 5, then number 6, number 7, number 9, number 10, then king, then queen, then jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is another. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is 8? It is 8. Yes, okay. 8, 9, 10, you will and there are 13 cards. Listen, there is a card. This one. It is gulam or jack with spade. Therefore, this is spade and this one is jack. Therefore, this card is spade. diamond, and for each set there is a jack. In Malayalam it is Gula. There is a king, there is a queen, there is an ass, and also the numbers from 2 to 10. Therefore, for each set there are how many? There are 13 cards. For each set there are 4. Each jack means number of jack 4. That means all these are with 4. That means as there are 4 as. Spade as, clubs as, diamond as, set as. Similarly 2, 3, 4, etc. How many jacks? There are 4 jacks. Spade jack, clubs jack, diamond jack, and a cup jack. Therefore, the set of jacks it is 4, set of king 4. That means each number be a set of 4 with 4 figures or 4 picture. That is like there are 4 jacks with 2 are red, 2 are black. Red are diamond and heart jack, black are spade and clubs jack. Okay, these are the main points to find out this problem. Clear? We know there are 4 types of figures. They are spade, black, clubs, they are black, therefore 26 black. Diamond and heart, they are red, therefore 26 red. Each set 13 cards. Therefore 13 into 4 is equal to 52. Then in each set card from as 2, 3, etc. 10, king, queen and jack. Face card means there is some face. Face card. What are face card? They are only 3. King, that is the face of a king. Queen, that is the face of a queen. And jack, that is the face of a gula, that is jack. Therefore, there are 3 face cards. Clear? Then comes to the point of our problem. In this problem, there are 52 cards. Out of 52 cards, 1 card is taken at random. Find probable that it is a king of red. King or king of? King of red. Therefore, how many king? 40. How many red king? 2 red king. Out of which 52, not 4. That king of red means it is not 2 by 4. There are total 52 cards, out of which there are 2 red king. Therefore, answer question number 1, P bracket A red king. There are 2 red kings out of 52 cards, that is 1 by 26. That is the probability. Then, question number 2, what is it? A face card, A face card. How many face cards? 3 face cards. That means 3 into 4, 12 face cards. 3 king, queen, jack for each set. Therefore 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12. Therefore that is equal to 12 by 52 is equal to 3 by 30. 12 is divided by 4, we get 3. 52 is divided by 4, we get 30. Therefore 3 by 30 is the probability. Then what is the third question? A red face there are 2 red face cards. No. 2 means there are 12. Half of that one, that is there are 6 face cards for red and 6 face cards for black. Therefore it is 6 by 52 divided by 2, that is 3 by 26. Then what's the fourth question? The jack of hat P of jack of hat. There are 4 jacks and for heft there is only 1 jack out of 52. That is equal to 1 by 52, not to 1 by 4, it is 1 by 52. There are total cards 52, out of which there is only 1 jack, that is heft. For each set there is only 1 jack. Then what is question number 5? A spade. P of a spade. How many spades? 13 spades. How many total? 52. That is equal. There are 4 sets. Therefore 1 by 4. 13 into 4 is 52. Then what is the last question? A cube of time, there is only 1 cube of time, therefore question number 6, P of a cube of diamond is equal to 1 by 52. There are 52 cards, out of which there is only 1 diamond cube. The number of cubes means 4 by 52, but it is diamond cubes there is only 1, therefore 1 by 52. These are the main sessions of that problem. That means we know that the total number of cards is 52, out of which there are 2 figures, 4 figures. That spade with black, that is 30. Clubs with black, there are 30. Therefore total number of black 26. Diamond with red 13, heart with red 13. Therefore total number of red cards 26. Then each card there are 13 set, there are 13 cards with as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, king, queen and jack. About that. Out of these 3 cards are face cards. That there is a figure on that face. That is the figure of king, figure of queen and figure of queen or jack. Therefore there are 3 face cards. Therefore 3 into 4, 12 face cards. And for each set there is a jack, there is a king, etc. For each set, 4 set there are 13. Therefore for each as 4 as. Similarly all are 4. Then we know that set of face card, king, queen and jack. Therefore probability of a red king means there are 2 red kings, therefore 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. The second question, probability of face card means for a set there are 3 face, therefore 4 set 12 face cards. Therefore probability of face card is equal to 12 by 52 is equal to 3 by 30. The third question, a red face card, there are 4 face cards, out of which 2 are red face cards. Therefore out of 52 cards, the probability of 2 red face card is equal to 6 by 52 is equal to 3 by 26. And the probability of jack red is there is only 1 jack red. For each set there is a jack. Therefore for each there is only 1. And total jack is 4. Therefore it is 1 by 52. And the probability of a spade means the group of elements, say cards of a set that is spade is equal to 13. Therefore 13 by 52 is equal to 1 by 4. And the probability of a cube of diamond, there is only 1 diamond, cube diamond, therefore it is 1 by 52. These are the answer of that problem. Then, dear students, the next era we can run then from out of question 15 to 25. 25 is an unpaid question, that is true or false question. Therefore, these questions be in the next episode, and in the next episode, that will 54th, 5th episode, this chapter will be closed. For construction system, at most 2 episodes. Therefore, in the next 3 episodes, all the chapters of our test will be completed. Then the remaining part of this problem will be in the next episode. Okay.